Ho, ho, ho. Hey, everybody. It's Christmas in July. And this is the collab that is hosted by Helen Lewis. And this is actually week 2 of our collaboration. I don't know how many girls are in it, 20-ish, 30, I'm not sure. But I'm going to link everybody below. So please show them some craft and love. And today we are making a Christmas ornament. This is one of those really large ones from Walmart. They cost 98 cents. And I measured it. It's a 4-inch one, plastic. And what I did was I cut out a template. So this was my template to make sure that it fit inside correctly. And then I cut out a piece of acetate. And on that acetate, I am going to take this really cute Frosty who's poofing. Yep, Frosty's poofing. And I'm going to put him right there. Yep, Frosty's going right there. So I'm going to grab my tape runner. And I'm going to grab a lot of tape on Frosty so he stays. All right, look at that, right? And then you take this acetate and you roll it up just enough so that it will fit inside of this. Now I made these, I think it was 2 years ago. How stinking cute. So, so cute. And then you take the snow and you start to fill it. Yeah, so 2 years ago these were a big hit amongst our family and friends. And I just put a generous amount. Yeah, I'm gonna have glittered snow all over me, but that's okay. It is Christmas in July. I'm actually making a mess. I never craft like this. I don't know what I'm thinking. I really don't. That piece is too big for my craft. I got snow everywhere. I do. I got snow everywhere. Okay, so that is my Frosty. Here is my cover. I'm going to cut that off. And there you have it. Let's see if I can block that. Let's see. Hold on. Can you see him? How cute. Alright. I just finished this video and I thought a lot about this, and I want to make it so that it's available to people that don't have a cutting machine. So what I did was this. I took my ornament and I put it down on my mat, and I realized that it was 4 inches in diameter. 4 inches. So you could probably just take your ruler and put it at your finger and the other finger and figure out that it's 4 inches, right? So to make a 4-inch circle, you could find something in your house that is 4 inches in diameter, like let's just take this for instance, because it's sitting right here. It's a little bit more than 4 inches. But you can look around and find something that's 4 inches. But if you have the compass, you can actually make something that's 4 inches. Okay. So you can take it, create the circle, right? That matches my circle. And then all you have to do is this. On the top of each one of the ornaments is a lip. Measure the diameter of it. This one happens to be 3/4 of an inch. So now you know that the square part has to be 3/4. So you kind of get center and you mark 3/4. So there's your... Can you see what I'm doing? Give me 1 second. Okay, so too many lines on that ruler. That ruler gives me a headache. All right, so 3/4 is right there. And right there. So now I know that I'm just going to make a 3/4 by 3/4 square. I'll cut it out. And I'll add it to the top part of my circle. Let's just say with this. Now, the height doesn't matter, and you can always trim this up anyway. So what you do is you cut it out, and then you take it, and you fold it up, and you put it inside your ornament. And it will fit. And once it fits, you then pull it back out. Then you take this, and you trace it onto acetate. Piece of acetate. This one came from, I think it was Michael's. You could trace it out with pencil and then cut it. And like I said, I'm going to have this cut file. He was fussy cut by me. I can also cut him with my machine. And then you just follow the rest of my directions. But this project can be made by anyone, whether you have a machine or not a machine, cutting machine. All right, I just wanted to add that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to just leave me a message and ask. I'm here to help you. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I will see you real soon. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought of it. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to make this file available to anyone that wants to fussy cut it. So if you want this file, you can email me at Donna, poweredbycreativity@gmail.com, and I will send you a PDF file. All right, everybody. Hope you had a great day. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas in July. See you real soon.